Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you've been frustrated trying to forward shared media on WhatsApp from your PC, especially with the new update, you're in the right place. WhatsApp just rolled out some slick improvements that make sharing photos, videos, and files across chats a total breeze, no more digging through endless message histories. Today, I'm walking you through the exact steps to forward any shared media right from your desktop app. It's super straightforward and it'll save you so much time. Let's dive right in. First things first, fire up the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure it's updated to the latest version. Head to your App Store or settings if you haven't already. Once it's open, glance over to the left side menu. You'll spot the media icon there, looking like a little gallery or photo thumbnail. Give it a click. Boom, that opens up your entire media library from all your chats, neatly organized and easy to browse. Now, navigate to the Media tab at the top of this window. This is where all your images, videos, documents, and voice notes live. Scroll or use the search bar to find exactly what you're after. Spot the file or files you want to forward. Perfect. Look up at the top right corner of the screen for the select icon. It might look like a checkbox or dotted square. Tap that and you're in selection mode. Here's where it gets fun. Click on each piece of media you want to forward. You can pick one, a few, or go wild and select a bunch. They'll highlight as you choose. Once you've got your picks, hit the forward icon that pops up at the bottom or top of the screen, depending on your view. WhatsApp will whisk you straight to your contacts list. Finally, choose your recipients. Scroll through your chats, type a name in the search bar, or even create a group on the fly. Tap the ones you want, review your selection, and smash that send button. And just like that, your media is forwarded. Fast, efficient, and without any fuss. There you have it, folks, the new and improved way to forward shared media on WhatsApp PC. No more screenshots or workarounds. This update nails it. If you're on mobile and want those steps too, drop a comment below. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more WhatsApp tips, and I'll catch you in the next one.